Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Indian Basmati white rice. If you're a fan of rice dishes, you're in for a treat because this is, without a doubt, one of the best Basmati rice options available in the market. Let's dive right into the details. This Basmati rice comes in a 32-ounce pack and is brought to you by Whole Foods Market, a brand known for its commitment to quality and natural ingredients. It's not just any rice. It's cultivated in India, where centuries of farming expertise have perfected the art of growing Basmati rice. The unique growing conditions and techniques in India give this rice a delicate fragrance and a gentle nuttiness that elevates your rice dishes to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Each 1/4 cup of dry rice contains 160 calories, 0 grams of sodium, 0 grams of dietary fiber, 0 grams of sugars, and 4 grams of protein. It's also worth mentioning that this rice is kosher, vegan, and vegetarian friendly, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. The packaging is convenient and compact, measuring 1.6 by 11.15 by 5.6 inches and weighing 2.02 pounds. It's easy to store and use whenever you want to cook up a delicious meal. Along with this Basmati rice, you might also want to explore some related products like organic brown rice noodles, coriander seeds, and gourmet spice blends, which can enhance your culinary experience. In conclusion, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Indian Basmati white rice is a top-notch choice for anyone who appreciates the flavors and aromas of high-quality Basmati rice. Its origins in the rice fields of India and the dedication of Whole Foods Market to quality make it a standout product in the market. So, if you're looking to elevate your rice dishes, give this one a try. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you've tried this Basmati rice or have any other product recommendations you'd like us to review, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking! Feel free to customize and adjust the script as needed for your YouTube video. Enjoy creating your product review video.